Bathed in the morning's golden light, the house awakens as Mirha meticulously prepares for a special day. Hussein, adorned in his cherished monkey cap, vibrates with anticipation, his excitement threatening to burst. Api, are we really going to the zoo today? Hussein asks, his voice filled with hope and eagerness. Mirha responds with a playful promise. Yes, and you'll see the monkeys first. Inside the car, sunlight fills every corner as father begins a playful game of animal sound. Who is this? Gru Gru. Father's voice echoes with childlike delight, sparking excitement. Rhino. Hussein triumphantly shouts, his small voice filled with pure joy and recognition. Wow! My son knows everything, Ami exclaims, her eyes sparkling with maternal pride and admiration. The car vibrates with cheerful anticipation as the family shares a moment of light-hearted connection and affection. Hussein and Mirha step into the zoo, a symphony of animal sounds and bustling crowds enveloping them. Hussein's eyes widen in astonishment, his small hand gripping Mirha's as he gazes at the distant creatures. Api, is that an elephant? So big? Hussein exclaims, his voice filled with wonder at the sight of the enormous animal. Mirha smiles gently, guiding Hussein's gaze towards another marvel. Yes, and that lion is sleeping right now. The vibrant zoo teems with life, its sights and sounds promising a day of unforgettable adventure for the young boy.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.